Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about what is an ostinato. Basically, an ostinato is a short, or it could be long, pattern, phrase, or sound in the song that is repeated over and over. So I provided a really good example after this video, as well as a short movie. It's called Stomp Out Loud, made back in the 90s, I believe. Very good movie and demonstration of like what beats and consistent sounds sound like. And this will kind of teach you, is the lesson that you can ride the wave, or you can ride the bass line, or see and feel and hear what it looks like to see things like an ostinato keep going, or as the bass line keeps going throughout the entire song. And I think watching this will help you guys get a better feel. I really enjoyed the I guess you could call it a movie. It's not really a documentary, but it's like it's sort of a short film on music, and they use things such as like brooms and trash cans and stuff like that. You may have watched it in school when you were younger, but I definitely wanted to bring it back. And it's a very good demonstration, good for music theory, good for learning all this, for those of you that are interested. So that'll be the next video after this. After you watch that, just continue down the list in order, and we'll be getting into some more like advanced concepts. Okay, so enjoy the next couple of videos on ostinato and Stomp Out Loud, and yeah, we will talk to you soon. Later.